Hey, I'm Nico from Installs. We're gonna see how long it takes for a rep to do an install. Let's check it out. Hey, John.
Afternoon.
We're gonna have you set up a Clover station today.
Let's do it.
You ready? Let's check it out.
Do it.
And we got the time, and we're gonna go down from 3, 2.
Do it.
What are you seeing?
We got the big part, we got the mini right here. Oh, nope, the printer. This is probably the mini. Nope, that's a power cord and receipt paper. Got an Ethernet cord, power cord, USB-C. Here's the mini part. So this is the merchant side. That side, power cord. This unraveled. Oops. There it is. This needs to go here. Oh, there's a little screwdriver. Put that there. Get this plugged in here. Get this guy plugged into here. Other side. And then the Ethernet cord. We're going Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Power cord. There's this guy. Oh, missing a big piece down here. Okay. Plug in the rest. Okay. This is for that part. Okay. Where's this piece? Okay, this is the Ethernet part. This would connect into here. That would go to the modem. That would go in there. This guy. Oops. Get this plugged in. Maybe. Connects to this, which connects to this. Sit down. Oh, nowhere near 2 minutes. Except 5.
Cut this one.
You're about the same as Lola, man. So you went full IKEA without looking at the
Yeah.
start
yeah.
guide?
Went full myself when I was 10 with Legos, not trying to follow the guide at all, but pretty plug and play. Figured it out.
Yeah, you got it going.
Yeah, we got it turned on. Don't know if it was the correct neatness, but it turned on.
Yeah, you can tidy after, but
Yeah.
it'll be going now.
Yeah, but it's
You
pretty
check-
straightforward, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so all that would be missing, just tidy up and tighten the screws at the bottom.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Nice
Good
job.
job.
Believe in small business.